In this video, you are going to learn how to create an awesome sign-in form from scratch. We have here two inputs. The first one is for the email, and the second one for the password. And we have here this icon which can show and hide your password. And we have this button. We will make it from scratch. Let's get started. We have here our HTML. We will make a div with class form box, and we will add an h1 with sign in, and we will make here a div for the input box. You can get the CDN link by searching for font awesome CDN. You can get any one of those. And here we will use this icon. This one. And we will add input for the email, placeholder, email address. Let's make the second div for the password, input box, and we will add the icon. We have here the key, and let's make the input for the password, placeholder, password, and we will make a span with class eyes for the eye that show and hide your password. And let's add the two icons. We have added the first one and the second one for I slash. And let's make a class for the icons, icon, another one here. Let's add the button, login, and now we finished the HTML. Let's move to CSS. We have here this font which called Poppins. You can get it from Google Fonts, and we will add here margin 0, padding 0, and here we have the body. We will make background image URL images, and here I have the background that I will use. Okay, we can make the size cover. Okay, now for the form box, width 500 pixels, margin 12%, and auto, background RGBA 0.8, padding 50 pixels 0, and color white, and border radius 20 pixels. Let's move for H1. Text align will be center, and margin bottom 40 pixels. Okay, now for the input box, position will be relative because we are going to use position absolute next, and margin 31 pixels, and auto, width 80%, border bottom 1 pixel solid with color white, padding top 10 pixels, and padding bottom 5 pixels. Okay, let's go to the input. Inside the input box, we will make width 90% and border none, outline none, background will be transparent, padding top 10 pixels and padding bottom 5 pixels. And we will add color white, and here for the placeholder we will make color triple C. Let's see it. Okay, now for the icon, margin right 10 pixels. Let's go to the eyes, position absolute and right 0. Okay, here let's add an ID of I height, and here we will add an ID of I slash height, and we will make here an ID as well as the password input, because we are going to use them in JavaScript. Let's continue our designing. We have here I height, display none. Okay, for the button login, we will make margin 40 pixels, auto 20 pixels, and here width will be 80%, display block, outline none, padding 10 pixels 0, and cursor will be pointer. Okay, background will be transparent, color white, and we will add font size 15 pixels, and we will add border 1 pixel, solid RGBA with 0.8, and we will make border radius 5 pixels. And here we have finished the design. Abdullah@email.com and password. We want, when we press here, to change the password type to be text to see the password. And we want also to change this icon to the eye icon without a slash. Okay, we will make this using JavaScript. We will add here a new JS file, and we will add here before the body text ending script source main.js. Let's make our variables like password input equal document to get element by ID, password input, and we have here I icon document dot get element by ID, I height, and the third one I slash icon document dot get element by ID, I slash icon, and the last one I block document dot query selector dot eyes, which are the eyes block. We will make here a function. Let's name it show password, and we will make a condition. If password input dot type equal password, we will make the password input dot type equal text, and icon dot style dot display will be block, and /icon dot style dot display will be none. Else password input dot type equal password, icon dot style dot display will be none, and /icon dot style dot display will be blocked. Before we try this code and to make sure it works well, we will first call the function isBlock dot onClick. When I click on the isBlock, we will use show password. And to make sure the code works, we will comment this code and we will use console.log hello from JS to make sure the code works. Now when I press here, if the code works well, the console will type hello from JS, and now it works well. Okay, when I press here, it add one more time. So I will delete this and I will remove the comment and use it as a code. Okay, let's try it. We will write here abdallah.email and we will write here password. Something is wrong. Let's see it. Most likely it's on the variables. Password input, hide, /icon, eyes. This one's name is i/hide, not i/icon. Okay, we will make it i/hide. And we have also something here. We will make this identical operator, not assignment operator. Okay, let's try it now. abdallah@gmail.com, and we have here the password. Okay, when we press here, the password shows up and we can hide it by pressing here. And this is all for today. Make sure if you like the video to press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next videos.